On to the headlines. Soaring safely, the role of traceability in aerospace advancements. Blueprints for the future, traceability in technical innovation. Gold with a story, traceability in mining and its role in sustainability. Green tech meets traceability, how smart innovations are reshaping energy consumption.
Hello and welcome to Traceability TV News, your source for the latest updates on global traceability and safety concerns. I'm your host, Miriam Munyoki. The aerospace industry operates in a world where precision is non-negotiable and even the smallest error can have catastrophic consequences. That's where traceability comes in. From manufacturing components to monitoring their performance in flight, traceability ensures safety and efficiency at every stage of aviation. It's the unseen force that keeps planes in the sky and passengers secure. Today, we explore how advantages in traceability are revolutionizing aerospace, setting new standards for reliability and innovation in air travel.
Every component in an aircraft has a story, and traceability ensures that story is documented and accessible. By tracking parts throughout their entire life cycle, aerospace companies can detect flaws, manage recalls, and guarantee compliance with international safety standards. Traceability also enhances operational efficiency. With digital systems tracking every part, airlines can predict maintenance needs, reduce downtime, and optimize flight schedules. This not only improves safety, but also cuts costs, benefiting both the industry and passengers. As air traffic continues to rise, the role of traceability becomes even more significant. Experts emphasize that the future of aerospace innovation lies in data-driven safety protocols, with traceability leading the charge. For travelers, this means greater peace of mind every time they take to the skies. Ronald Reagan, Traceability TV.
Mining has long been associated with economic growth, but its impact on the environment and local communities has sparked global concern. Traceability is rewriting this narrative, offering a transparent journey for every ounce of gold or diamond from the mine to the market. This innovation empowers consumers to make ethical choices and pushes mining companies towards more sustainable practices. Today, we explore the role of traceability in transforming mining into a more responsible and sustainable industry.
Traceability in mining is helping to address critical issues such as conflict minerals, environmental degradation, and worker exploitation. By using digital systems and blockchain technology, mining companies can document the entire journey of raw materials. This enables them to provide proof of ethical sourcing to their buyers. For consumers, this means making informed choices. A piece of jewelry or a smartphone component now comes with a verified history, assuring buyers that their purchase did not contribute to harmful practices. Such transparency is also pushing mining companies to adopt more sustainable methods, as they are held accountable for their impact on communities and ecosystems. As global demand for minerals increases, traceability offers a way forward for the industry to balance profitability with responsibility. Industry leaders agree that mining's future success lies in proving that every ounce of material extracted contributes to a fairer, cleaner world. Rinta Luther, Traceability TV.
We're now taking a commercial break. Stay tuned for more news updates after the break. June is already shaping up to be a powerful month of awareness, action, and reflection across the globe. Just a few days ago, people everywhere marked World Environment Day on June 5th, coming together to clean up, plant trees, and push for climate restoration under the theme, Restore Our Earth. Now, communities are observing Mental Health Awareness Month, holding open conversations, offering support, and reminding us all to prioritize emotional well-being. Meanwhile, Preparations are underway for the World Day Against Child Labor on June 12th, bringing global attention to the need for safe, educated, and protected childhoods. And toward the end of the month, the world will be observing the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking on June 26th, with campaigns focused on prevention, recovery, and support. June 2025 is in full swing, and from the environment to mental health, and from children's rights to public safety, the world is not just watching, it's acting. And Traceability TV will be walking you through it all, story by story, event by event. So don't miss a moment. Subscribe now and stay informed all month long. From groundbreaking gadgets to life-saving devices, the world of technology relies on precision and accountability to thrive. Traceability has emerged as the linchpin of technical industries, offering a detailed roadmap of every component's journey. This innovation is not only ensuring product reliability, but also driving the next wave of technical breakthroughs. Today, we delve into how traceability is revolutionizing technical innovation and why it's crucial for the future of engineering and design.
Traceability is revolutionizing technical industries by creating a transparent and detailed record of every stage of production and implementation. In a world where precision is paramount, traceability ensures that every microchip, circuit, and robotic component is meticulously monitored. This allows manufacturers to identify defects early, addressing potential issues before they escalate into costly or even catastrophic failures. As a result, businesses not only save on operational costs, but also deliver high-quality, reliable products that build consumer trust. Beyond its role in quality assurance, traceability is a driver of innovation. By maintaining comprehensive data logs, industries gain invaluable insights into performance metrics and product life cycles. These records empower engineers to pinpoint weaknesses, study failure patterns, and make iterative improvements to their designs. Such feedback loops are particularly crucial in fields like telecommunications, aerospace, and medical devices, where innovation directly impacts safety and efficiency. Ronald Reagan, Traceability TV.
As the world races towards sustainability, the energy sector is embracing technology to ensure a greener future. Traceability is now at the heart of this movement, providing transparency in how energy is produced, distributed, and consumed. From smart grids to renewable energy tracking, this innovation is reshaping our relationship with power. Today, we investigate how traceability is helping to create a more accountable and efficient energy landscape for generations to come.
Traceability is playing a pivotal role in the energy sector by enabling consumers and businesses to track the source and usage of energy. From solar panels to wind farms, systems now allow users to verify that the energy consumed is sustainably produced and ethically distributed. For energy providers, traceability helps optimize operations. By monitoring supply chains and energy outputs, companies can reduce wastes, improve grid efficiency, and lower costs. This transparency also reassures environmentally conscious consumers who demand proof that their choices are making a positive impact. As global energy demand arises, traceability will be key to building a sustainable future. Industry experts predict that these systems will become standard practice, driving innovation and accountability in pursuit of a greener planet. Regis Regina, Traceability TV.
Welcome to Visibility Sports News. I'm your host, Rikan Getao. The Olympic Games, a monumental global event celebrated every 4 years, have their roots deep in history, dating back to 776 BC in ancient Greece. The inaugural Games were not just a sporting event, they were a significant cultural milestone that celebrated athletics prowess and fostered unity among the Greek city-states. Originally held in Olympia in honor of Zeus, these games featured only one event, a foot race called the Stadion, which was about 192 meters long. As history progressed, the games expanded in both size and scope, evolving into the multidisciplinary sporting spectacle we know today, with hundreds of events spanning numerous sports. The Olympics have transcended the initial purpose of the athletic competition to become a symbol of peace, friendship, and international cooperation. They have weathered wars, political strife, and cultural changes, yet the essence of these games remains. The evolution of the Olympics reflects not only advancement in sports, but also shifts in societal values, with the event increasingly emphasizing inclusivity and diversity.
The inaugural Olympic Games in 776 BC featured only one event, a simple foot race. However, this single race laid the groundwork for celebration of human achievement that would grow over the centuries. As time progressed, the Olympic program expanded to include a wide range of athletic contests, including wrestling, boxing, and chariot racing. Athletes from various city-states competed fiercely, with victors receiving laurel wreaths and gaining immense honor and prestige. This early form of competition fostered a sense of camaraderie and rivalry, uniting the often warring city-states under the banner of athletic excellence. The revival of the modern Olympics in the late 19th century marked a significant turning point. Inspired by the ancient traditions, Baron-Pierre de Coubertin envisioned an event that would promote peace and friendship among nations through sports. The first modern Olympic Games were held in Athens in 1896, featuring 13 countries and 43 events. This rekindling of the Olympic spirit paved the way for the Games to evolve into the global phenomenon they are today, attracting athletes and spectators from all corners of the world. Today, the Olympics are more than just a series of competitions. They represent an international platform where athletes unite, transcending borders and cultural differences. The Games highlight global issues, including the importance of gender equality, sustainability, and anti-doping efforts, reflecting contemporary societal values. As we watch athletes compete for gold, we are reminded of the Olympic origins in ancient Greece and the timeless ideas of excellence, resilience, and unity that they embody. Rinta Luther, Traceability TV.
And that wraps up our news bulletin for the day. Stay tuned for an informative documentary on Above the Horizon, ensuring traceability in aerospace from blueprint to sky. As always, I've been your host, Miriam Munyoki, and this is Traceability TV. Above the horizon, where the sky meets ambition, lies a story of precision, trust, and innovation. It's a world where the smallest details make the biggest difference, where a single bolt carries the weight of a dream, and where safety begins long before the fast engine roars to life. This is the story of traceability, the invincible backbone of aerospace excellence. In aerospace, perfection isn't optional, it's essential. Traceability begins in the early stages of design, when blueprints are more than drawings, they're blueprints for accountability. Every line, every dimension is linked to a database, mapping out materials, suppliers, and compliance standards. Before a single screw is turned, traceability ensures that every element meets the rigorous demands of air travel. Think about a single bolt. Its journey begins with raw materials, metals extracted, refined, and tested for strength. Traceability ensures that this bolt's origin is documented, its composition verified, and its quality certified. From the smelter to the supplier, every step is recorded in detail, creating a digital fingerprint that guarantees it meets exacting standards. When that bolt is finally installed, it's not just another piece of metal, it's a promise. A promise that it can withstand extreme temperatures, turbulence, and pressure. Traceability ensures that this promise is backed by data, proof of its compliance with international safety standards, the conditions under which it was manufactured, and the inspections it underwent before reaching its final destination. But traceability doesn't stop at the parts themselves. In the digital age, it extends to systems bringing together the thousands of components that form the modern aircraft. Digital twins, powered by traceability, allows engineers to stimulate performance, predict wear and tear, and optimize maintenance schedules. It's like having a crystal ball for safety, ensuring that every rivet, cable, and panel performs as expected. Even in the skies, traceability is hard at work. Sensors on board continuously relay data back to ground teams, tracking performance in real time. If an anomaly is detected, traceability enables technicians to pinpoint its source, whether it's a hydraulic valve installed 2 years ago or a software update made last month. This ability to trace every action, every part, and every event keeps aircrafts flying safely and efficiently. Above the horizon, trust is everything. Passengers don't see the countless hours of design, testing, and validation that go into every flight, but they feel it. They feel it in the smoothness of the journey, the reliability of the systems, and the peace of mind that comes from knowing that every detail has been accounted for. Traceability is more than a tool. It's a philosophy. It's a belief that excellence is built one part at a time, with care, precision, and integrity. It's a bridge between innovation and accountability, transforming complex systems into harmonious works of art that connect the world. In aerospace, every journey begins with trust, and trust begins with traceability. It's a thread that weaves safety into every bolt, confidence into every wing, and wonder into every takeoff. Above the horizon, we don't just chase the sky, we redefine it. Because when we build with traceability, we build for the stars.